Little Learners TV!
Hello, wonderful friends. Welcome back to our alphabet adventure. Today, we're going to learn all about the letter F. Are you ready? Let's go. This is uppercase F. It looks like a straight line with two smaller horizontal lines sticking out. And this is a lowercase f. It looks like a curvy line with a small crossbar. They kind of look like flags, don't they? Do you know any words that start with the letter F? How about fish, frog, or flower? Let's say those words together. Fish, frog, flower. Great. Now, it's time to learn how to write uppercase F. Grab your pencil and paper. Ready? Here we go. First, draw a straight line from the top to the bottom. Let's do it together. Excellent. Next, draw a short horizontal line at the top. Here we go. Finally, draw another short horizontal line in the middle. And that's it. You've written an uppercase F. Fantastic job. Let's try that one more time together. Remember, straight down, short line at the top, and another one in the middle. Great job. Now, let's learn how to write a lowercase f. Ready? Let's do it. Start at the top and make a curved line going down, making a loop in the middle and continue down, just like this. Next, draw a short horizontal line across the middle of the curvy line. Easy, right? And there you have it, a lowercase f. You're doing fantastic. Let's do that one more time. Curvy line down with a loop in the middle and a short line across the middle. Perfect. Great work so far. Now, let's practice writing the letter F a few more times. We're going to write 3 uppercase F's and 3 lowercase f's together. Ready? Let's start with uppercase F. Straight line down, short line at the top, and another one in the middle. Let's do it 3 times. Now, let's practice lowercase f, curvy line with a loop in the middle and a short line across the middle. Let's do that 3 times. Wonderful! You're doing an amazing job. It's practice time. Keep practicing writing the letter F with your pencil and paper. You can write it big, small, and in different colors. Maybe you can even draw a picture of something that starts with the letter F, like a fish or a flower, next to your letters. Remember, the more you practice, the better you'll get. You can also ask a grown-up to play a game with you, finding things around the house that start with the letter F. Thank you for joining us today to learn about the letter F. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. See you next time for more alphabet adventures. Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe